That time was COVID pandemic. My previous employer has changed company direction, causing my income drop. At the same time, my father got stroke. I need to cover all the medical bills, those expenses. It was very tough for me and I cannot sustain my commitment. Therefore, me and my husband decided to move out from the comfort zone and we start our company with our previous experience.
Can you tell us about your company, Aplus Prestige?
Aplus Prestige, actually what we do is we are the third-party consultant that help local SME to seek for the best package of the SME financing. We will manage their portfolios to maximize their financing amount at the lowest rate. We are more focused on SME financing, SME.
What inspired the establishment of your company, Aplus Prestige, and how has it evolved since its early days?
What set Aplus Prestige, our company, apart from other companies is actually our management team, myself and Cassantra. We are both from the banking and finance background. We are more understand on the informations and what service we're going to bring to our customers. So our service will be more practical and useful. So apart from that, we also implement the financial compliance rules and regulation in our office. This is to protect our clients' data, clients' information, things like that.
The second thing is we don't have any upfront charges and the pre-checking process is FOC.
How about the other competitor? Normally the market, how is
They do over-promise clients on certain approval and certain process. We didn't over-promise clients. Normally, we actually do KYC. So we know our customer needs, only we propose the package to clients. It's not that we submit all to the bank, just let the bank approve and then force them to take all the loan, which is they cannot manage to pay back.
Actually, we also do have bring everything into black and white. So we don't create any confusion between our company and customer.
Who are your primary clients and from which industry?
Actually, we don't have a certain clients. We have a lot of clients from every industry. So as long as they are categorized as a Malaysian company, you are welcome. All businesses are equal opportunity to get financing, but anyhow, you have to make payment on time, and then director cannot always use company account to make payment installment to their personal commitment. They still need to follow the bank guideline. Every industry, especially those construction related and those wholesales,
project-based customer.
Those wholesales customer, wholesales, retail. I think every industry they need extra fund, extra working capital for expand their business.
How do you cater to the need of SMEs versus larger corporations?
Usually we will base on their sales revenue and number of employees to differentiate their size. Also, we will look at their financial report, auditor reports, and their sales revenue. So normally for small size company, below 7 years company, we could recommend product called AES or economic sector. This is a very low interest package, so can help them to gain higher profit margin. So if let's say larger corporation like those medium enterprise, we would recommend they use the bank facilities like multi-trade facilities. It's a credit limit for them to support their daily cash flow working capital.
Can you explain a bit more about AES?
AES full term is all economic sector. So this is a fund that have a very low interest rate compared to normal product in the market. So you also guaranteed by the government. So this is to help the company that below 7 years of operation. It's a government to help start-up company will bear less interest, less commitment to help them in their cash flow.
Are there any other facilities or services than term financing?
Yes, we do have other services other than the term financing. For example, like overdraft, OD, or multi-trade. Let's say, for example, if let's say the customer is doing on specific on the import and export business, usually we will recommend them for taking up multi-trade called letter of credit (LC). This product is specific for the import and export business. This can help client to plan their cash flow more better.
Why do you recommend them taking LC?
LC is like a credit limit for them to purchase stock from overseas. It's actually a security line for them lah.
To ensure the buyer and seller
In
are
secure way,
to
protect each other, because actually LC is not only a Malaysian company, they require purchase stock, like for example China. The China company, they also require a LC. For our side is Malaysia bank, we liaise with
China
Bank. So then payment also through the bank. The both party payment through both party bank lah. So it's actually a security. Instead of they directly credit the money to the China company, then in case they didn't receive any stock, to avoid scam happen. During COVID pandemic, I have clients doing manufacturing. She unable to get a facility finance institutions. After I started my company and she looked for me, I managed to get a successful facility for her to sustain her business, because during pandemic that time, she quite struggled because there is a lot of additional cost. Till now, she actually, after few years, she still look for me for the second application. I'm very happy the second application already successfully. It's just waiting for drawdown.
What's one advice that you want to give to SME companies?
SME companies, they can go for the banks to apply the application, but it is better to come to us because we provide free financial body checkup. It's a free process checking. Don't be afraid to come to us.